All right, a lot of people wonder like how me and Darren get our waves. Cause I'm gonna just tell y'all right now. Y'all take a rag, you wet it, and you put it right here in the microwave. See this right here? It's been here for about 2 minutes maybe. That's how you do that shit. You gotta do it like that, cuz. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you get the waves busting like Darren. Darren, show what I mean. Busting, feel me? Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Take it off, take it off, take it off.